Ever since the Surface Studio came out, people have been wondering, well, when are the competitors going to come out with their takes on it? Today we have the answer with Lenovo's Yoga A940. It's coming out later this year. Today we're going to give you a quick tour and show you why it's so cool. Stay tuned. All right, so there's a lot going on with this design. This is an all-in-one system, and I love the aspects here with the speaker grill here in the front, which is matching all of Lenovo's current design language on all their Yogas. So this is the new speaker grill system, so it should be a really good audio system, Dolby Atmos and all that great stuff. You can also hide the keyboard now on top of this, which is a pretty clever design. And the reason you want that is because, just like Studio, this does lower down into becoming a full drawing tablet device, and it does have different display options. You can get this as a QHD display or a 4K UHD. It is 27-inch, really nice, full color gamut and everything. Now when it comes to the internals, there's a lot going on here. So you're talking an Intel 8700 processor. And for those of you paying attention, yes, this is a real desktop class processor, unlike Surface Studio, so you get a little bit more power. Now when it comes to the GPU, you're going to get an AMD Radeon RX 560. So not a super powerful NVIDIA GTX whatever 1080 system, but this is going to be good for graphic designers and artists, and that's what this is geared for. If you're looking for gaming, this is probably not going to be your system, and that's not what it's aimed for. But for graphic design, it should be very good. There's a lot of clever things they've done here that's a little bit different. For instance, they have this new dial on the side. This actually pops out, and you can plug it on the right-hand side or the left-hand side, depending on your preference of use. And this dial does multiple things. There's actually 2 dials on it, each doing different options, and then it has a button on the side, and it's programmable based on the application. Lenovo's already going to have a couple applications out of the box that'll work with it, and they'll improve that over time. But the idea here is when you are drawing on a device, it's going to be in a more natural position for you to ink and draw and also use these dials, which again are programmable to whatever you want. Now the reason why there's a phone here is because this has Qi wireless built in, so yeah, you can just place your phone down there and wirelessly charge. You also have a little spot here for your pen to stay and your mouse, and again, that's so you can clear out everything, so when you bring this down and go into a drawing mode, you don't need to worry about where all your stuff is. Now if you're curious, does it charge the mouse? No, we're told though the keyboard and mouse are chargeable separately, but later on, if this system is a success, they may come out with a different version where these do charge wirelessly in that system, so that'd be kind of a cool thing to see. It's not in this version right now, but overall, this is a really nice alternative to those of you looking for a Surface Studio. All right, so there's a quick look now at the Yoga A940. It comes out in March, and the real interesting thing here is going to be pricing. So it starts at $2349, which you've been paying attention, is way cheaper than a Surface Studio. And it's also going to be available, well, worldwide, which is something, again, Surface Studio is not. So it's going to be a really interesting device to see. We'll see about reviewing it as well. Leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think about it. Do you like the design and the choices Lenovo has made? Thanks for watching. Take care, everyone.